Alright guys, so here's a 42-inch Hampton Bay Bridgeton ceiling fan that it came from my local Habitat Restore. I got it because I volunteered there, and what I do for them is purpose ceiling fans to see better nation. I always do fix fans of lightning. And what I do for them, I clean up ceiling fans and stuff. See, I had one of these. I'll start with the light kit. It's an antique brass or something. I don't know. It was the both same, the antique brass and the white polished brass. I didn't even know. Oh, nothing. Anyways, I'll turn the light off and I'll begin with the low speed. Okay, no wobble at all. Medium. Okay. There's no noise. There's something. The noise air conditioner is in the background. I don't really know about that this time about the Warriors. Now, high speed. Wait. Looks like it's kind of bit like a lot of something. I don't really know if it sounds difficult or something. Don't really got some difficulty. This time. I'm already tired, but I'm not because that's because of the daytime. That's because of the daytime this time. I'll turn the light back on. Oh God. I'll turn the light back off. I'll turn this off. So that is it for the 42-inch Hampton Bay Bridgeton ceiling fan. I hope you get like, comment, share, and subscribe, and share more videos for more to come. Bye.